Yo, what's going on, you guys? It's FunTube Aviation here, back at it again with another video. And in today's video, we are doing the long-awaited second part of the Easter models. These legit came in today, and I'm super excited to finally have them and finally be able to crack them open for you guys. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive on in. There's two in this one. We're gonna do this one in the second video, but let's go ahead and crack this one open. So here it is. This is a Phoenix Models Finnair Airbus A350-900, and this is of their like little cartoon thing. I have no idea what it is.
So this livery is to celebrate Finnair's 100th year, as it turns 100 in November of this year. So on the tail or on the box, it features iconic characters from the Moments, a Finnish book by Tove Jansson. It's a comic strip with 9 books released from 1945 to 1993. The characters are made to symbolize something soft, was the idea that Tove Jansson had. And yeah, they're just cool little characters, kind of like a children's book made from 1945 to 1993.
I'm gonna do some research after the video, but cartoon name is up on the screen and what it kind of stands for. Well, let's go ahead and dive on in with the box. Here is the sides of the box. Here is the back of the box. This box work is super cool, super creative. Really like it. And let's go ahead and crack this baby open. There's no flap, nothing on the inside. This is a Phoenix model, not a Gemini jet. We'll do a little comparison of what a Phoenix A350 looks next to a Gemini jet. Phoenix, I believe, is a little bit more higher quality than a Gemini jet, and I can definitely see that here. Wow. There is definitely a increase in quality. So here, zoom on in here. This thing is crazy high quality. I mean, the amount of detail on this airplane, like I can't even, this camera doesn't even do it justice on how much detail there is on this plane. I mean, there are, everything is just amazing. I was not expecting to like this model this much. It's incredible. I mean, look at all the little radio antennas and all that stuff, and pitot tubes, and then like the, I guess, is that like supposed to be a bump for the transponder maybe? But there's little bumps everywhere. Satellite dish on the back, and then of course you have the cartoon right there in the back. It's truly incredible level of detail on this airplane. And then there is the bottom. No Gemini jet logo, or like a Phoenix model logo. No Gemini jet model does. This is Phoenix model. Registration is Oscar Hotel Lima Whiskey Peru. Let's go ahead and get a Gemini jet A350 to compare it to. We're gonna use my trusty Fiji Airways A350. You're gonna move it over a little bit more. So that's what they look like from the front. The nose on the Finnair is a lot more detailed than the Gemini Jet, or details stick out a little bit more. The engines are a little bit bigger on the Phoenix model Finnair side. They're pretty much the same. The nose shape is a little bit different between the two, but the wing height comes up a little bit more on the Phoenix model, and the wings are like not as big as the Gemini Jet. But yeah guys, that will do it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next week for another unboxing video of the American Airlines NG models, this time 777-200. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. This is Fun Tube Aviation signing off.